how to record and add voiceover into CapCut PC. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you step by step how to record and add a voiceover to your videos using CapCut PC. This tutorial is perfect for content creator, educator, vlogger, or anyone who wants to add clear and professional voice into their videos. Now, what you have to do in order to do that, first open the CapCut PC and then click on this import button. This is a newer version, and just simply add your video over here, import your video. So this is my video. I will just simply drag that, and in the main section you will get to see there is an option of voiceover. So right now this is my voiceover. It has already a voice, so what I will do, I will just simply mute this track and then click on this voiceover. Now over here you have to choose your input devices. Now right now I'm recording from microphone array, so as you can see here it gives the reading. So if you want to reduct echo reduction, just simply click on this echo reduction, mute project. Sound in all clips will be turned after the mute project turn. Enhance voice, automatically remove echoes and popping sounds and mouth clicking and other noises. So in order to do that, just simply click on it and click on this start button. So I will just simply record this video. As you can see here, it is recording. Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how you can create your own voice and voice over on the CapCut. So let's just try. Click on the start and editing. Let's see how it works. Let's move back to from start. As you can see here, we have a voice. Let's say if you want to change a voice, you can just simply click on the from here if you want to change the voice of your audio. Right now it is something showing some error. Let's I will connect my VPN over here to just show you how it works. Click on the VPN. I'm using Proton VPN to use this. Now if you live in India, so you have to use VPN over here. Right now we have some voice filter and voice character as well. If you apply this character and voice character, you can see the voice will change. Just wait for a few seconds to apply. If you move to speech to song, this is hip hop and R&B. You can use it to make your voice into song. So voice character, and if you want to manage your speed, you can manage from here. So this is a basic overview of how you can use to add your voiceover into your video. So that's it of today's video. If you found the video helpful and informative, then subscribe to the channel and comment it down if you have any question related to this video. I will try to give answer. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.